Hey, where's the scene? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and in this video I just wanted to go over what happens at the end of the month after you hit the 75 rating to get the seed allocation from Darwinex. So let me just jump straight into the screen and see where we at. Alright, so this is the email that I got today. Today is February the 1st, 2024, and you can see here, congratulations on your performance. Alright, so we get in the allocation. 15% performance fee would be for the next 3 months, because each seed allocation that you get would only be available for 3 months while in silver. But if we do 25k this month, we could do 25k next month. That would be 50k in total. And then the third month we could do, probably the next 25 or more, and it would add together. But on the fourth month, this first allocation would, disappear. So that is where we are. So starting from the 1st of February, which is today, we got the actual 25k. So first I'll show you the performance for the account itself, and then we'll look at that one. So if we refresh this is the MyFX book, right? This is where we at. So we have 18.5%, and then we had a 10% drawdown. We had it was a lot of ranging in the market this week, and we did have a drawdown, and we traded the way out of it, so that was fine. But yeah, we had 18%, and you see in total so far we took 582 trades. We made 16% in January, and we still had 1.74% in December last year. So if we head over to Darwin, I would refresh it. So once you get the Darwin once you get the allocation on the first, I should say, they reset the rating. My rating was reset to 70. Now I am not sure how they determine where they go to reset it, because if someone had a lower rating, I don't know if they would reset it higher. So I'm really not sure how that part of the process works when they reset it. But yeah, it was reset to 70, and well, the bot took a couple trades today, and it back up to 71.1. So that's where we are. But on the account, after the risk engine goes through the process and mitigates risk from the strategy itself, we at 6.31% and 2.48% drawdown. So I'm pretty happy with that. You can see we have one allocation here, and this is the 25k, right? If you look how far we are from getting to the goal stage, we need to get a 20% return. So we are at 6.27 right now, and we are sticking within that 2.5 to 2.5 return to the drawdown ratio that they're looking for. So this is positive. If we look at the rating calculator, which I found was pretty interesting. Now I know they do the rating calculator based off of the past 5 months, the drawdown, and then your expected return for the current month. So based on how I know this bot trades for the last 2 months, I would say conservatively, if we make 3% alone this month, we could see what would happen. So if we do a return at 3%, right, 3%, you can see it would take the rating to 83.43, and that would give our allocation at 65. So that is crazy. If we did something like what we did this month, which is around 5%, then it would be 89.36, and that would be allocation at 370k. So at the end of the day, this is supposed to be a long-term race. This isn't trying to swing for the fence in 1 week, 1 month. So I would trade the bot as is, and I would see how things work out. If I choose to reduce risk a bit, it may just be dropping the risk percentage on the way it calculates the lot size. So we'll see how that works out. But yeah, for now, I would actually be targeting like around 3% if possible. I mean, even if you do 4%, I think was a crazy number. Yeah, at 4% you already hit 375. So that's insane. And I think this has a lot to do with your past performance over the last 5 months, and then if we maintain this drawdown at 2.48. So I mean, even though it's a calculator, it's really difficult to say because you have no idea what your drawdown will be, you have no idea what your return will be. So the only number that we know is this is the only figure that we have for now, and this can vary. So yeah, there's where we are. So at the moment we have the 25k, and I can show you the actual signal itself. So this is the signal. You see we had the drawdown here, quite a bit of drawdown, but the account itself is at 18% return. So yeah, that is where we at. I had some issues this week because I have other accounts that is following this master account, which is the Darwinex account. But anyone who uses this trade copier knows that for the last, I guess, 2 weeks they had some issues. First they had an issue with the MT5 connection, and now they have an issue with the MT4 connection. So you can see like these aren't even open positions. Everything is zeroed out right now, and it's just stuck. And because of this problem, it messed me up with this True Forex Fund's 10k challenge account, because the bot kept trading on the Darwinex account, but the connection was dropped and it wasn't taking any trades on the True Forex Fund. So that kind of screwed me over a bit. I still have the account, but I basically need to start over from scratch. I made 3% on that account and gone. So yeah, that's where we at. Right. So yeah, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. I have some indicators. I want to start back working on indicators to upload and give out for different strategies that I actually trade in. Now I wouldn't be uploading my bots, but I'd upload indicators that basically work off of the same strategy itself. Right? And what I'm doing, or what I started to do, if I given out the indicators, it would be a direct integration to certain brokers, so you would only be able to use it on certain brokers. So yeah, that's where we are. I'll keep you guys updated with how that progress comes along. I've just been so busy here working, even though I'm in the Philippines. Crazy. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.